Husqvarna starting problems. Husqvarna outdoor power equipment is used for commercial and residential lawn and landscape maintenance. String trimmers, hedge trimmers, chainsaws and limb pruners are manufactured by Husqvarna to help make outdoor chores easier to accomplish. Starting problems with Husqvarna power equipment can occur as the result of normal operation and use. Resolve many starting problems by checking basic components associated with the Husqvarna engine. Things you'll need: container, 150 ratio 2-cycle engine oil, 1 gallon unleaded gasoline, 1 gallon fuel container, spark plug wrench, Champion RCJ7Y spark plug, replacement air filter. Attempt to start the Husqvarna power equipment following the manufacturer's starting recommendations. Place the starter switch to the on position and press the primer bulb until fuel appears in the bulb. Set the choke to start and pull the starter cord no more than 5 times or until the engine tries to start. Set the choke to run and pull the starter cord again to start. Pour old fuel from the Husqvarna fuel tank into a container. Mix new fuel for 2-cycle engines based on the manufacturer's recommendation. Mix 2-cycle engine oil, such as 150 ratio oil, with unleaded gasoline in a gallon fuel container. Shake the mixture thoroughly, add to the tank and follow the recommended starting procedure. Remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug on the Husqvarna power equipment. Loosen and remove the spark plug with a spark plug wrench. Replace the spark plug with a suitable replacement, such as a Champion RCJ7 wire as recommended by the manufacturer. Thread the new plug in place and finger tighten. Place the spark plug wire back on the spark plug and attempt to start. Find the air filter on the side of the Husqvarna power equipment near the carburetor. Remove the air filter cover and pull the old filter from the housing. Install a new filter that is a suitable replacement in the housing and secure the cover in place. Clean excess dirt, dust and debris from the muffler with a stiff bristle brush. Brush away any debris that could possibly be clogging the muffler and preventing normal operation.